I want to know where to Mama. Oh, yeah, why no, Yaruno? You man, you watching a kenga, Korayaka. You man, you watching a kenga. Korayaka, not easy. It's not easy to be alive. That all of us gathered here tonight is because God gave us reason to live. There's no reason for you to live. That means you are worthless. So when you are living, you should also English abulam no elengam kosiri bi kon nengere maka eso when you are living when you are living I see as when you are living me get lava by this time I'm not even behind me Igbo kwanu una danya ada sisi Igbo kwanu kita Sigi boko de si anagele. Ke mani va na ekwelu.
Obodo anyị gbatara aka wee tie m ọma. Ayọrọ ndị ayọ. Nọrọ kwata ya azụ. Anyị na-emekwa charity. Anyị na-enyere ndị mmadụ aka. Anyị na-eme a lot of things. Ọ bụrụ na ị bịara here first the January, ị ga-afụ ebe a niile.
I'll be with you on the first too. All one living. And the Lord.
Saying we're going to say you are not here, you go see bro. Bro, the surprise. So begging up a lap, wow, yeah, I go. That the bread, where you the penny. Everything let you go inside it. They get you, or to go baby. You do not better. I say, let's go, Mama. I don't know, you always hear Mala. Oh, I say, you are going to say you are not here, you go see bro. Bro, the surprise. So begging up a lap, wow, yeah, I go. Hey, babe. The only not looking below when no more. I will turn your sorrow for that. Election here in the table hang for some particles. Okuba hang come and hide the boss. For can we get what again? Not Charlie, how come that I go? I am so happy to be with you this night. I'm sure I'm already here. So, sir, I am so happy to meet you again. Thank you so much. You're welcome. On Nigerian
women, please make una behave like women for Bible. Since una dey go church, anything where we tell una make una try they believe us. Una know they believe us. That's the only problem we get. If una behave like women for Bible, marriage no go to get problem. Women in the Bible believe everything. Imagine Jonah come out from house 3 days, come back, tell his wife, say fish swallow him. His wife believe. If I come out one day, tell my wife, say fish swallow me, you go say whether they mad.
Afonia, I got go in a voodoo process there. Under the mobile government. Afana above for no even a wuziketa. The buying under Arab, na choose it. Could only really congested more.
Oh, see, get on people. I have not. Okay, eating go up opposite. Ogo mwai kampa. Nejide okike kam no yemma. Chinenye ụba. Enwere fim lere n'abalị ebe nwu ebe katara ma akwa sa ihe gburu nwa ọma ya eti. Na-egbatịa ma awụ ka ume ikudu sa ya owo nwụrụ ihe ka ọwụ gị. When I saw you here today, I was shocked. Say, is she a ghost or is it really you? Because I'm from that very day. I was like, you know, tomorrow my daughter is someone what you're not talking for. You want you're a good diet. With diarrhea. When you want you diarrhea, when you want to dialysis. Because you got that one eye in Abala, I lay them Omuga, and the walk about there about Payana Pastaki, Aume, you didn't even move. Particularly, I asked him this year. Script in there, never since. I don't know. And then they decide the idea so that you want to pass the drama. And you rise on route, rise on route. I must rise. What do you think? No, I'm not able to do it. I'm not sneaking in me. I got boy before I came here. You know? No. Oh, my sister Maya, the mother is actually my mother's younger sister's daughter. My mother is actually an actress as well. Maya na act, yes. Apa Maya na Ubudai the last job of Maya Betaraba. Why you would have why you go, pardon, or film or the Lapanina or she's a in fact she's a camp prioress. Ambassadoress. They were honorable. They were honorables. They were honorable. So it's high time we start differentiating the two. Honorable. You go see why they were honorables. Education and honorables. I wish my girl here. I because she's my counterpart. Then I'm going off, man.